Hello students, this is your faculty, Dr. Shruti Pandey, Assistant Professor, School of Management, BBDU. Today we are going to discuss about needs and objective of social media marketing from the subject Social Media Marketing, BBA 3405. What is media marketing? Social media marketing is the process of leveraging online social platform to connect with your audience, build brand awareness, drive business result. It is powerful tool for businesses of all size to engage with customers and promote their products and services. Few famous for social media platforms are Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Snapchat, and YouTube. Importance of social media marketing. First importance in wide reach and engagement. Social media platform provide businesses with an ability to reach a wide and diverse audience, often beyond their local market. This global reach allows company to connect with potential customer and the world, expanding their customer base and driving growth. Additionally, the targeting and the segmentation capabilities of social media enable businesses to precisely reach their ideal target audience, ensuring the market efforts and are highly effective. Cost effective. Lower cost compared to the traditional market. Flexible budget options in both large and small businesses. Real-time interaction. Social media allows for direct two-way communication with customer, fostering stronger relationship between brand loyalty. Businesses can engage with their audience by responding to the comments, sharing relevant content, and creating a sense of community around their brand. This level of engagement helps to build the trust, increase customer satisfaction, and ultimately drive sales and customer retention. Current trend in social media marketing. Video content dominance. Short form video content such as Snapchat, Instagram Reels are becoming increasingly popular and effective. These bite-sized videos are engaging, entertainingly, and high shareable. They allow business to showcase their product, services, and brand personalities in dynamic and captivating way. The rise of vertical video format optimized for mobile consumption has made video content more accessible and impactful than ever. Influencer marketing. Collaborating with influential personalities in the industry can boost brand awareness and credibility. Leveraging the trust and following of the relevant influencers allow business to reach new audience and tap into the power of social proof. Affecting influencer marketing campaigns can drive sales, increase website traffic, and enhance brand reputation. Personalization. Stories and other sensitive content gaining traction, creating sense of urgency and excitement. Platforms like Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook stories offer business and ways to share behind the scene glimpses, exclusive offer, real-time update that encourage customer engagement and foster strong connection with the brand. Need for social media marketing. Today's highly competitive business landscape, having a strong social media presence is no longer an option. It is necessary, with more and more companies leveraging social media to reach and engage their target audience. It is essential for business to stand out and make their voice heard. Consumer behavior has shifted dramatically, with people spending an ever increasing amount on time and social media platform. This present and unique opportunities for business to connect with their customers, build brand awareness, and foster meaningful relationships by tapping into captive audience. Companies can effectively communicate their message, showcase their product and services, and drive conversation. One of the key advantages of social media is cost effectiveness. Compared to traditional advertising channels, social media provides highly targeted and measurable advertising opportunities. Business can precisely reach their desired demographic, tailor their messaging, and track the performance for the campaign in real time. This data approach allows the continuous optimization and maximization of budget marketing budget. Furthermore, the analytical capabilities of social media platform are valuable insight to consumer behavior, content performance, and overall marketing effective. By closing monetary metrics such as engagement, reach, and conversation, business can make informed decision, refine their strategies, and deliver more impactful campaigns and restore their audience. Objectives of social media marketing. Social media marketing has become an essential component of modern marketing strategies. By leveraging various social platform businesses and can achieve range of key objectives that drive growth and success. The primary objective is to build brand awareness. Through consistent and emerging content, business can increase their visibility amongst their target audience, ultimately strengthening brand recognition and recall. Help to help to position the company as industry leader and trusted authority. Generate leads and sales. Another crucial objective is lead generation. Social media provides a powerful platform to capture the attention of potential customer, nurture their interest, and convert them into qualified leads. By strategically crafting and distributing content, businesses can entice users to take desired actions such as signing up newsletter, downloading a resource, and making a purchase. Lastly, enhancing customer satisfaction. Fostering customer engagement is a core objective of social media marketing. By facilitate, facilitating meaningful interactions and building strong relationship with existing customers, business can enhance loyalty, encourage repeat business, and turn customers into brand advocates. This helps to strengthen the bond between the company and its audience, leading to increase customer satisfaction and retention. Challenges of social media marketing. Navigating the world of social media marketing can present variety of challenges for the businesses of all size. On the primary hurdle, it is significant time commitment requirement to maintain a consistent and engaging presence across the multiple platform. Regularly creating and sharing content, responding to customers' inquiry, and monitoring performance metrics can quickly become a full-time job, distracting from other critical aspects of the business. Another major challenge is constantly evolving social media algorithm that determine the visibility of your content. As platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter continuously update their algorithms, business must adapt their strategies to ensure their posts have been seen by the target audience. Failing to keep up with these changes can result a significant drop in organic reach and engagement. Respecting customers' privacy and adhering to data protection regulation is also crucial consideration in social media marketing. With increasing concern around data privacy, businesses must be vigilant how they collect, store, and utilize customer information, ensuring they will comply with the latest regulation and avoid potential legal issue. Finally, the fierce competition in social media landscape presents ongoing challenges. As more businesses recognize the importance of social media, the amount of number of brand vying on attention continues to grow. Standing out and keeping up with the latest trend and practices requires significant investment of time, resource, and creativity. Conclusion. Summary of key points. Importance of social media marketing and digital is the role of social media marketing in achieving our business goals. Final thoughts. The evolving nature of social media and the content adaptation and learning are key to success. Thank you everyone.